Finished number 7b, telling you that we have finished 7 questions. We are moving to question number 8. We are moving to question number 8. The only thing you can do for us is to share the link with your friends. This is where we solve question number 6a, 6b. Please do well to watch this in our previous video in case it's not showing on your own video. This one you are watching. So I'm going to number 8 right now. Question 8 said that make M the sort of the relation, sort of formula where you have H equals to MT over D open bracket M plus P. Let's start without wasting time. I think this paper has been exhausted. I can put it on my floor to pick up the next thing. Alright, okay, let's just continue. Or I should put it, let me put it on my table in case you want to be making reference to it. So I have my page now. I rule that is 8a. Now they give us H equals to MT over D to bracket M plus P, and they want us to make M sort of formula. Something about subject of formula is that it's very simple. Just know how to manage all your algebra tools. When I say algebra tools, collection of like terms, divide both side by this, square both side by this, square root both side by this, cube root both side by this, all those terms you need to be very sound on it. When you are very sound with all those things, subject of formula will be very simple. Your cross multiply tools, once you can operate on those levels, you are good. Alright, now since our focus is M and we have even M do in two places, the first now we'll do right now is to cross multiply. I want to cross multiply to make it simple. So I'm having MT. Please be writing your conditions there that what you do is you cross multiply. But because I'm rushing, that's why I'm not writing the instruction. I'm saying it with my mouth. MT equals to HD M plus P. MT equals to HDM plus HDP, right? Alright, now since our focus is M, let the M families come to its side. MT minus, you know this one we turn to minus HDM equals to HDP. Are you getting it? Equals to HDP. So with that, what will I have next? M is now common. Factorize your M. M in brackets T minus HD equals to HDP. Now from where I am now, I want you to take it up and put your answer in the comment box. I will pause for a while before I put my answer there. So take it up from where I am right now. Yes, I believe you have answered that in the comment box. Alright, let me now finalize this. Let me finalize this right now. So we will now say M, you know what the disturbing M is T minus HD. Divide both sides by the coefficient of M, that is T minus HD. M becomes HDP over T minus HD. That is the answer I'm expecting in the comment box as your own response. I think that will make me to settle question number 8a. So I move to 8b right now, checking that question 8b very well. I think that question AB here, I think this one is X. This place is X, I think so. So now we want to move forward. Alright, let me write the question as I'm about to solve that. 8b. So I have 4 plus 3 over 4 x plus 2, this 3x 8 plus 1, and that's the question. It's a very simple question, you don't need to rush. Something about mathematics is that for of us start from your strength, from what you know. from what you know. That is because no way you won't know anything in mathematics. Start from what your own previous knowledge. Let me use that statement. From there, at least it will push you forward. If you now get to a place where you are confused, you will know that you have tried. Now, this is simple mathematics. Forget about the way it has been written, whether inequalities or not. It's the same way you have been operating normal equality signs. Now, look at it. I have number here, I have fraction here, I have items here that may want to cause confusion, but you can perfect this one to look like a proper fraction. This inequality is not disturbing us. This one is not disturbing us as well. So what I'm going to do right now, I want to first of all make sure this place look like a proper fraction, like my right side here. I will have 4 plus, see my hand, 3 to bracket x plus 2 over 4. Can you see that? Legs down equals to 3x over what? 8 plus what? Plus 1. Now, you know what? You can still remember this one under your expansion and factorization. Open the bracket. I'll be having 4. Maybe even this one, I can even make it a normal fraction. It means 4 over 1. But for now, let me still keep it as 4 plus 3x plus 6 over 4 less than or equals to 3x over what? 8 plus 1. You can see what I'm doing. There is no stress. You don't give yourself unnecessary stress. By itself, the thing will be getting simpler. As you are approaching it, the thing will be looking simpler. You can see now from jargons to sense making now. Now I can see items of the same feature. This is a figure. This is a figure. This is a value with x. This is a value with x. They will come together. Let the figures go to this side. Let the x come to this side. I'll be having 3x plus 6 4. This one, when it comes here, becomes minus this. I told you, say when you have been operating your normal equals to sign, you operate. It only have a stage where this thing will be affected. It's where you get to your x, when the x have a coefficient of negative. That's where the thing will have effect on this. Alright, let's go. You have minus 3x over 8 less than or equals to plus 1. This one becomes minus 4. You can see that I'm operating it. So this one LCM will settle the matter because LCM that is 8. 4 in 8, I have what? 4 in 8, I have 2 into brackets. Please don't rush and don't skip any part. That's the way to enjoy mathematics. Don't skip. You don't rush doing mathematics. Even if you are a mathematician, you are a guru in it, you are an expert in it, you don't rush because anybody can make mistake. And mistake you make will not make you will make you lose your pride. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Alright, you can see what I'm doing right now. 3 times 2, that's 6x plus 12 minus 3x over 8 less than or equals to minus 3. I'm moving forward. Collect my like times. You can see how the thing is getting simpler. 3 minus 6, that's 6 minus 3. That's 3x plus 12 over 8 less than or what? Equals to minus 3. Any difficulties? Nothing. Even the sign has not changed. Now I want to make it switch over 1. Let's assume that this place is equals to sign, cross multiply. So I'm having 3x plus 12. The sign will not change right now because I don't have any issue with negative at the back of my x. It still remains there. So what am I saying? I move forward. 3 times 8 minus 24. Collect like terms. 3x less than or equals to, this one come to this place, minus 24 plus 12. The sign, did I say minus 24? Yes, minus 20. This plus become minus. Sorry for that. Let me write it again. 3x plus 12. Sorry, it becomes 3x less than or equals to minus 24 minus 12. 3x less than or equals to minus 36. Can you see? I don't struggle with anything. You can see from beginning to the end. That's why I'm saying that just what you know, build on what you know and just add to it. So at the end of the x is this minus 36 over 3, and at the end of the day x is less than, the sign will not change, minus what? Minus 12, and that's the answer. Not the sign still maintain its direction. X is less than or equals to minus 12. That's the answer for that one. And I'm going to the last one because of the time. I'm going to 8C. The 8C said x minus 2, x minus 3, everything equals to 12. Like I always say, start from your own strength. Don't start from what you don't know. HC. Aya, x minus 2, x minus 3 equals to 12. I have it like this. Now I want to open my bracket because I can't just continue like that. This is not equals to 0, that I would not say I want to equate this to 0. No, I don't do that. So I will now say let me use simple method. Let me break it down. This is a classroom. Don't let me rush. X to multiply this, x minus 3. What remains here also to multiply this equals to 12. Open bracket, x squared minus 3x minus 5x minus is plus 6 equals to 12. You can see what I'm doing. X squared minus what? What do you see? Minus what? That should be what? Minus, that's it. Sorry, this is x times 3. 2. This one is 2x. Sorry for that, please. Because I'm rushing. Alright, plus 6 equals to 12. Alright, x squared minus 5x plus 6 minus 12 equals to 0. I believe you understand. I'm going to factorization. X squared minus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. What are the two items I'll multiply to give me minus 6? When I add, it will give me minus 5. That should be what? 2 and 3. Is it 2 and 3? No, because 2 and 3 will not give me minus 5 when if I use minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, but it won't give me plus. So the answer, the right one to use is minus 6 plus 1. So I'll be using x squared minus 6x plus x minus 6 equals to 0. That's the right one to use. And I factorize x minus 6 plus 1, x minus 6 equals 0. So out of these two, pick one, x minus 6. So those that are outside, put them inside one house. And I am done. When I say I'm done, you cannot stop here. It has everything equals to 0 now. Equate each of them to 0. X minus 6 equals to 0. S equals what? 6. Same thing. X plus 1 equals to 0. S equals to minus 1. So with this, I have got my answer that is S is minus 1 or 6. I have finished question 8. Altogether 8A, 8B, 8C, 8C. Let me pick up my calculator. I'm going to number 9. So you can see where I solve number 8A. I think this is my 8B. And this is my 8C. I'm going to question number 9.